There are so many reasons why your akara doesn't turn out just like this one. Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn. Let me show you how to make your akara turn out really nice. So I'm making 1 cup of beans of akara. So I soaked this beans, sorry. Now, after soaking it and cleaning it, I'm bringing in bell peppers. So I use about 4 big tattashe, yes, because I'm extra like that. I added 3 balls of peppers, 1 garlic, and that is all. Now, the reason why your akara does not end up well is because it doesn't have enough tattashe, which is bell peppers, and you add too much water when blending. So do not add too much water. The consistency we are looking for is not a runny consistency, yet it isn't a thick consistency. On the average, your consistency should be in between either runny or thick. Am I making sense? So you're not making it as thick as, let's say, a batter for cake. No. Neither are you making it as runny as moi moi. I don't know if I'm making sense. Another reason why your akara doesn't turn out well, we're using power oil by the way, is because you fry your akara in a shallow pan. So your akara should be fried in a deep pan in deep oil. The only ingredient that should go in your akara is salt. Only salt. To my 1 cup of beans, I am adding 2 spoons of salt. 2 teaspoons, not even tablespoon, teaspoons. And that is all. Another reason why your akara doesn't turn out well, fluffy and nice, is because you do not incorporate air into it. So you either use a spatula or you use a hand mixer to incorporate air into your beans batter. Shall I repeat that again? So you're either using a spatula, use a plastic spatula, a wooden spatula, or a hand mixer like I am doing in here. So anytime I am making akara, it reminds me a lot about my mom of blessed memory, because this was how she always made her akara inside this kwaria. Kwaria is calabash in English. So even if the mix is done in a plastic or glass bowl, it always ends up in the kwaria. Now, you notice that in the kwaria, which is a calabash, I'm using a wooden spatula. There's a connection to these things. Next is you need a very big spoon and a dip in water. You'll see what I mean. Deep in water because you want your spoon to be clean when you're fetching your paste. Now let's make sure, the final tip is make sure to cook your akara, fry your akara on low heat. Low heat, dear human, low heat. If you fry your akara on high heat, it is going to burn, and we do not want that happening to our akara. Can you see how effortless and seamless the batter comes off of the spoon? That is because of the dipping technique in the water. You dip your spoon in the water, bring that in. While it is frying, create room for the akara to swim in that oil, and after 3 to 4 minutes your akara will be ready on one side. Flip to reveal and cook the other side of your akara. Now it all depends on you. If you like your akara a little bit more brown, then you let it sit in that oil a little bit extra. This is how I love my akara to look. So we are ready at this particular point. I'm Braxton Evelyn. Have I said so? The Beauty Food Chick. Please remember to like this video. Let me know in the comment section what you thought about this. What are your akara frying tips that is different from mine? I'm so happy that you were able to go through this culinary adventure with me. We made magic in this kitchen. Yes, we made magic. We made akara. 1 cup of akara, 2 tablespoons of salt, or you could do 1.5 tablespoons of salt. So I used the washed beans. I just love this bit. So we call it, growing up we used to call it kwekweyo. So it's just tiny little pebbles of akara. They are just nice to eat, especially if you're eating your pap and you throw them in the pap. Goodness gracious me. It just brings it out the child in me. So a recap: 1 cup of washed peeled beans. I soaked it for about 2 hours, added enough water, not too much water, blended that, and that's all. Only salt as ingredients. That is all. Do not forget that. Fry on low heat. Only salt is your ingredient. Fry on low heat, and let me know in the comment section what else did I say will make your akara come out so nice. Alrighty humans, that is all I have for you. I guess I will see you in my next video.